In primetime news this evening, high-ranking police officer to lead top-level team investigating St. Thomas Beryllium heist. Give us some donkeys then. Desperate residents propose fix as authorities continue to ignore their poor road. And the church is adamant same-sex marriages must not be entertained in Jamaica.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online once you log on to onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in Business Day, and I'll have that. We have in business news, Herman, the gas prices are going down, and I'll tell you by how much in the Business Day.
All right, and Jeremy Brown is here to tell us what's coming up in sports. Jeremy?
Well, thank you, Herman. Now, the nation's high schoolers did well recently, and collegiate athletes did well recently at the Penny Relays in the USA. But there are some who are questioning the relevance of the Penny Relays to our athletes. We'll tell you more about that a bit later on.
And for a preview of the weather report and forecast, here's Romaine Robinson.
Thanks, Andrea. Clouds. Clouds are the biggest story this evening. We are expecting cloudy conditions right across the island over the next few days, but very little rain. Most of these clouds are middle to upper level clouds. They don't really produce rain.
Thank you, Romaine. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what has been your most recent experience with accessing cash at automated teller machine ATMs?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
All right, please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.